Sanyog, you have
Yeah.
stopped the recording.
No, it's on.
Okay, so after doing the code, I will share the screenshot with you, and we will also share the recording with you. Okay, so now quickly do. I have added this join block. You can see. Now click on this button. You are seeing that. Now click on this, and you have to add two more. You click on this string and take it and attach here. Click on one more string and take it and attach here. Then you have to take one more empty text box, attach here. You have to write you have received a message from उसके बाद आपको जाना है यहाँ पे click on get number and attach here. Okay, quickly follow my steps. Now take one more text box and you have to write here, and the message is. Done. And now click on this message text and click on get message text. Now the code is prepared. We are done for today. And if you are having any query, now you can ask.
Arush, can I please share my screen?
Wait a minute, I am taking the screenshot. So you quickly take a screenshot and drop it in the group of the code.
You can just download the image of blocks as PNG image. There's the option. Right click on the screen. Yeah.
Okay, so now I'm stopping the share. I've done the coding, and if you are having any query, please contact on the group only.
Okay, so as you know about this, the blocks editor section of the MIT App Inventor. Oh, sorry, I am coming to that part. Yeah. So in this, there are also many type of blocks which we use in the coding. So these are the types. The blocks are like this, brown color blocks. These are called the event handlers. The blocks that have text starting in call started with call, they are called the caller blocks.
They are mainly used to call something.
Yeah, and these types of blocks whose text start with set, these are the setter blocks, and these blocks are known as getter blocks. So
Quickly learn this. This is the most important part.
yeah, I will share the photos of this video. Now let's come to next part. And yeah, so first we will learn about event handlers. So an event handler is a block which execute the codes placed in the do part of its block when a certain event occurs in the component. Means these event handler are the blocks inside which we place everything. Event handler, you understand, it handles everything. It is the main block. Inside that we only place all our blocks. Yeah, so now callers. So these caller blocks are used to call a function, or you can say any property. Like we call text to speak message. Means our app is calling the text to speech for speaking the message. And there are several caller blocks in the MIT App Inventor. Okay, now let's come to next type of block. Yeah, these are setter blocks. So these blocks are used to set the value the text, the amount, or you can say of something. Yeah, I am also showing this in the MIT App Inventor. So here in the block section, you would be seeing in the label you have used now, set label dot text to. So here we are setting the label text to something else. Here it is, I am busy, I am driving, please call me later. But using the coding part, we can also change the text at a specific time for some particular time period. Okay. Yeah, so now the last type of blocks are getter blocks. So these blocks are used to get the value of something. Like here you can see when speak button dot click call text to speak message. So this is the event handler. This is the main block I told you. This is a caller. So inside the event handler, we are calling text to speech to speak message. And this case will only execute when this button is clicked. You can see now when speak button is clicked, then only we have to do this. And then we are getting the value of label uh, to the text. Then this getter block will get the value of the text, and then it will call the text to speech to speak the message that the app has got. Okay, so these are all the 4 types of blocks. I will also
Yeah,
share
so now moving on. So can you please stop the share? I am telling two most important things.
yeah,
So please stop the share.
I stopped the share.
Quickly, Sanyog, only 1 minute left.
Sir,
Arush, I have stopped the share.
excuse me, sir.
Yeah,
सर हमें अगर इसको डाउनलोड करना है अपने मोबाइल में तो कैसे करेंगे?
you were there in the demo class. Kush.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so there you have not seen Arush has told how to do that. Okay, I will tell you once again. I will tell you once again.
We have to transfer it in phone through USB port.
See, I will tell you this once again. Firstly, you have to go on this build button. You can see this build button. Kush, can you see this build button?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Click on this and click on app save APK to my computer. Then the APK of this app will be saved to the default storage, the default folder. Then you have to transfer it to your phone if you are using laptop. If you are using a tab or